What's up, guys? This is my channel, and I'll teach you how to create a thumbnail and put it on your YouTube video. So, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So, here we go. First, you should download the app PicsArt, or maybe you have it already. Just open it, and then you should choose a photo that is related to the video that you made. So in this case, I chose as a Mobile Legend background, a photo, and make it as my background. So in PicsArt, you have different choices of effects, like what is shown in this screen. And there you have it, the slow internet connection. So yeah, you just have to choose what you like, what is beautiful, what is appealing, and then save it for later, because you are going to make a PNG of another photo. In this case, I chose a hero from a game. Her name is Carrie. And then I just cleaned her surrounding edges, whatever it is called. I just cleaned the photo just to make it the photo alone. I mean the character alone. No background, because I'm going to attach it in the photo edited earlier. So there you go, the cleaning. Just put a lot of work, and then after you're done cleaning, there you have the photo. You should save it so you can use it for later. Next, open the photo that you edited a while ago, and then add the PNG or clip art, and you can put it there. You can put it round and round, or whatever you like. Then you can put it there, you can put it everywhere. You can make it big, you can make it small, or whatever that can help your thumbnail beautiful. There. So you can add a call out. So please don't forget to subscribe. Wish I'm helping you in your thumbnail problem. Am I boring? You can put a comment if I'm so boring, my talking is boring. So please leave a like, please leave a comment, and like the video. Oh, my phone hang. There you go. You can put it everywhere, and then you can edit the text. Like you can put colors on it. You can put an outline, or in PicsArt they call it stroke. You can just color what you want. You can put shadow. You can adjust the shadow, horizontal, vertical. You can add color on your shadow. Is there such thing, colored shadow? I'm just kidding. And then there you have it. So after you making the photo, you should save it so you can add it to your YouTube studio. Don't forget to download the YouTube Creator Studio on Android or Play Store and App Store. Then go to your videos, choose the video that you have to add the thumbnail, and then click that edit whatever command, and then click edit thumbnail, and then you choose custom thumbnail, then go to your gallery, then look for the photo that you edited, then select, then save. And then wait until the changes have been saved. So there you have it. And then wait again. Just check it that it is already in your video. Okay, there you go. So I just want to share the thumbnails that I made. These are my thumbnails. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.